how to manage interests on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage interests on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and now click this one, this Opera icon here in the down, and then click this one, settings, and then click here, start page content, and then click this one, new options, and now all you need to do is just select any interests you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.